Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on basic geometrical constructions. At the last class, we were able to look at constructions of triangles where I gave you so many examples on how you can construct triangles using the basic theorems that I have once explained to you, which includes how to bisect a line, how to construct a line segment, how to bisect an angle, and so on and so forth. With that knowledge, we're able to see how we can construct a triangle ABC, and we will look at other complex forms of construction of a triangle. In today's class, we shall be looking at constructions of quadrilaterals and loci. Some school of thought will call it loci, okay? But you can call it loci or loci, whichever that is best for you. Now, what do you understand by quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are said to be four-sided plane shapes. So we have examples like square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, kite, and so on and so forth. In today's class, we shall look at construction of quadrilaterals, after which we shall then look at construction of loci. Loci are said to be points that are equidistant from a center, okay? So we shall look at that in our subsequent classes. But in today's class, we shall look at construction of quadrilaterals. Now, having given you examples of these quadrilaterals, let's look at some of these quadrilaterals and we tend to understand their properties so that when it comes to the construction of these quadrilaterals, you will be able to construct them based on their properties. So, before we look at their properties, let's look at the basic objectives. What do we tend to achieve at the end of this class? So, by the end of this class or this chapter, you will be able to, one, use the basic construction techniques to construct quadrilaterals of different forms. Two, you should be able to define and describe locus of a point and also on how to construct loci.